Share a crocheting tutorial for a winter strawberry bag. This bag is not big or small. Video demo using 2.0 hollow cotton and this cashmere loop thread. And for 0.0 crochet, I used a backpack. We insert the needle from here at the bottom of the bag. And then we crochet a short needle inside this stitch. And at the end, we crochet a little stitch. It's like having two short needles here. In the next stitch, we crochet 2 short stitches. That's how we do it, stitch by stitch. Hooked all the way to the corner. We need to crochet 1 plus needle for each stitch. So for each stitch, we crochet 2 short stitches. A total of 7 stitches need to be crocheted and needled, and then we get to this part. We still crochet stitches by stitches without adding stitches. We are also hook knitting and needling. And it's done. We'll add a short needle to the first one. There are 64 stitches in total. We lead. We set up to locking pins, not counting needles. Every subsequent lap looks like this. And then we go around this circle crocheting 64 needles, plus or minus. So we crochet a total of 5 loops. If such a long needle is not added, 64 needles will not be reduced. And it's done. We count 2 stitches, not counting needles. Crochet a long needle over the first stitch. We're going to crochet 6 more long needles. Add the needle just now. There are 7 of them. After these 7 long needles are completed, let's change the red thread to crochet the strawberry part. Our 7th stitch. We crocheted a long, unfinished needle. Bring the red line directly in. We crocheted 5 long needles at the 8th stitch. We're still crocheting a long, unfinished needle. Directly change to the white thread. We're going to crochet 7 more long needles. Such a strawberry! It's done! We have 7 long needles between the strawberries. or 7 stitches still crocheting along, unfinished stitch. That's it. Or change the red thread to crochet the strawberry part. We crochet 5 long needles on top of the 8th stitch. You have to crochet 8 of these strawberries in this circle. By after the strawberries are done, we pull on the first long needle at the beginning. Next we count 2 stitches, not counting needles. Then we crochet 7 long needles. I disconnected the red wire. Just crochet an unfinished long needle. We change the blue thread to hook the leaf part of the strawberry. We crocheted 5 unfinished long needles on top of the first 5 long needles. We change the white line. All coils at once. A strawberry leaf. It's done. We count the stitches. We're still crocheting along, unfinished needle. We change the blue thread and crochet the leaves again. Then crochet 5 unfinished long needles on top of 5 long needles. Everyone follows this method. Hook all 8 strawberries in our circle. Change the white wire to pass all the coils at once. Finished like this. The second strawberry leaf locks a stitch. We're still crocheting 7 long needles. Do it yourself. After 8 strawberries are finished, we can hide the blue line directly inside. We pull on the first long needle. So the strawberries are done. Then we count 2 stitches, not counting needles. We crochet long needles. Crochet 7 first. After the 7th stitch is completed, let's hook the strawberry here. So here we are. Empty a no tick. We are crocheting 7 long needles in the next one. So we still have 64 stitches in one circle. Do it yourself. After this lap is completed, we pull on the first long needle. Let's count 2 more stitches. Not counting needles, we crochet another 60 for long needles to finish. After this lap is completed, we race still pulling on the first long needle. We count 2 stitches. Not counting needles, we're going to crochet 8 more. We started by crocheting 7 long needles. Seventh stitch. We're still crocheting a long, unfinished needle. Next we change the red line. We crochet the strawberry parts. Crochet 5 long needles in this stitch. We still crocheted 8 strawberries. Exactly the same method as before. After everyone hooks this strawberry leaves, knit another long needle. Everyone crocheted 8 strawberries by themselves. We crocheted another loop of needles. We added this sheepfold thread. We're crocheting 2 loops of a 64-stitch needle here. Add this sheepfold thread. Do it yourself. This sheepfold line is a bit difficult to carry. Everyone crochet slower. No less. After 2 turns of the 64 pin hooks are completed, we mark the parts of our tote bags with a marked buckle. And then we double crocheted it with white and blue. Then we insert the needle from the side. We crochet short stitches. It's 1-to-1 for each needle. We crochet a short needle. We ticked the mark buckle. So here we're crocheting a short needle here. Next we set up 40 locking pins. And it's done. We crochet a short needle directly at the position of the marker buckle here. In this way, the handle part on our side is completed. Same thing on the other side. We're crocheting short stitches now to the other side. We stand 40 lock pins the same way. Then hook to the other side. Just recruit. Next, we erect a locking pin. Crochet a short needle in the first stitch. We circle around. Crochet a short needle over each stitch. Crochet to handle section. Braids. Here we only need to pick the half of the braids. We crochet short stitches one by one. You're going to do it yourselves. We took out this hairy thread single strand. We're going around the handle like we did before. We crochet a circle of short needles. Let's crochet. Just add it up. Crochet a circle of short needles. Our inner circle we haven't crocheted yet. So this is where we inject the needle. Also crochet a circle of short stitches to the other side. On both sides are the inner handle parts, hooked from here to there. Just hide the line. Everyone needs to crochet on both sides. Each stitch is crocheted with a short needle. See you in the next issue.